Action!
Would you like some peaches? No. Looks like no one's a fan of canned peaches. Fortunately, there's an easy way to make your canned peaches taste delicious. You can cook them up into cobbler. All you're going to need is 2 cans of canned peaches, 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of butter. That's a whole stick of butter. If, like me, you ran out of self-raising flour a long time ago, you can turn your all-purpose flour into self-raising by adding 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Right, so let's get baking. First things first, you're going to want to put your oven on. So you're going to set it to 350 degrees, set it baking. Now, next, you're going to want to melt your butter, which you're going to use in your batter. So go ahead and stick it straight in the dish you're going to use. This way you're going to pre-grease your dish, and you can pop that in the oven and let it melt while you mix up your dry ingredients. Okay, so while the butter melts, you can get ready your ingredients. First thing you're going to need is those canned peaches. If you have ones that have the top like this, it's really easy to open them. You're going to want to open up both your cans, and with one of them, just open up a bit, and pour your juice out like this. Keep this. You're going to need it to go in the batter. You can get rid of this, you don't need it. Next, you're going to mix together your dry ingredients. So, I have 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to need salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon, and the baking powder, 1 and 1/2. Next, I'm going to mix them all together. Now, remember that peach juice you saved? You're going to pour that in there. And your 1 cup of milk, put that in too. Now, you can mix them together. Now, you should have a nice batter, looks something like this. Next, you're going to need the butter in your dish. Here's mine, it's all melted, ready to go. Always use hot gloves. You're going to take your batter, and you're going to put it into the dish. Next, you need your peaches. You're going to arrange those in a pleasing arrangement across the top. It's a chance for you to get your hands sticky. Beautiful. Now you're ready to put this into the oven. Fantastic. We're all ready to put this in the oven. Remember, always use your mitts. Next, you're going to want to set your timer for 1 hour. There we go. Let's speed this up a little.
to the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country, I'm gonna eat me a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches.
There's my timer. Let's check the cobbler. There we go. Perfectly browned on the top. All that's left for us to do is to eat it.
Hey, Ben. What are you eating?
Peaches!